Are you planning to go out on weekend or just on weekdays too? You want to go out somewhere and relax? Or you want to spend quality time with your friends and family but don't want to go much far? Let's go. I'll take you to that place. This is Kshitij Villa, which is part of Monica Estate, and it is in Panchep. And that means 45 to 50 kilometers from Pune. Now let's go inside. This is the living room area, quite spacious, and just next to it we have this porch, and at the right side of it we have an entryway. From this entryway you can just encounter this beautiful view. Now let's go to the kitchen area. From the left side of the living room we have this dining area also. And just left to it we have this kitchen. In the kitchen we have been provided with microwave, fridge, gas and all the essential utensils. Water filter is also there. See, everything you need: glasses, cups, dishes. And in case you want to cook something, we have gas also. In case you want to order the food, you can do it. They have thalis options, and they will provide you thalis like veg, non-veg. This is the bedroom one. Every room in this villa has a view. So look at this view. This is the washroom for this room. So every room has washroom too. And now let's go to the best part, the balcony. And this is the view. Now let's go to the next floor, but before that we'll just have a look at the common washroom here. Now let's go to the next floor. We have this staircase, this beautiful staircase which also leads to a beautiful view. As you reach here at the top, you'll see this bar counter. If in case you're coming with your friends and you want to have drinks and you want to do booze, then you have this place. See, here also you can enjoy the view while sitting. And this is the master bedroom. And this is the biggest bedroom. This is quite spacious, and this is the washroom for this bedroom, which is also quite spacious. We have mirror, sink, a complete proper shower area. And now let's go to the balcony. Amazing view, right? Now let's go down, and from here, this is how the living room looks like. Now let's go out of the living room, and from the left side we'll go down because there's also one bedroom. Now here we have this a big landscape where you can have your small functions. Here around 20 to 25 people can sit and stand, and from right side of this landscape you'll see there is lot of setup. We'll go there, but let's now go to the room. This is our third and the last bedroom. Now let's go inside. This room also has a good view. This is also a quite spacious room. Beautiful window, a bathroom attached. Now let's go down where we will find gazebo, fountain and barbecue setup, and also a playroom. This was the fountain, and the just right side of this fountain we have a small room which is for your servants. If in case you're carrying your drivers and you're bringing your maids or servants with you and you want them to be at the safe place, then you will have this room. Now let's go down. This is the gazebo. If you want to have your evening snacks or even your lunch or dinner with this view, you can just come over here and enjoy that. If in case you're planning to do barbecue by your own, then we have this barbecue setup here. Now let's go down because there we have this playroom. This owner has told us that they have a plan in future to have swimming pool there. So in the lunch we had ordered veg and non-veg thalis both. Here we have a caretaker family which will be available for you for 24 hours for your service. Outside of the bungalow, we have the properties at the right side as well as at the left side. So now let's go to the left side where we have this watchtower. Now let's go up. Now look at this view. Now we'll go to the right side of the bungalow. Here we'll have this plateau. Now look at this amazing view. Very clear, very clean, and very refreshing. We have witnessed a very serious conversation here. I don't know what they are discussing, but it seems like it's very serious. In the evening, we had ordered this bhaji and chai with biscuits. This was our high tea. You can also order it and enjoy with this beautiful view. Now it was all about the day. Now we'll see how this property looks like in the night. Now let's go down and we'll see the entire property from the downside. If you're planning to visit this property, so without a doubt, you can 100% book it. You will find services details on their website, which is www.nisargaramya.com. This property has CCTV and TV in every room. Visit to their www.nisargaramya.com. All the details are in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.